Hey all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're going to be repotting my Scots pine I got from Jonas over at Bonsai Cornwall with Jonas. Let's get to it. So for those of you that don't remember my Scots pine, it's the one with the nice wicked bend up at the top. Comes down nicely. We're mostly going to be doing like a slip pot style repotting, and we're going to be putting it into this beautiful pot here by Tori's Delois from Blue Nose Trading. Sorry, the light. And while I'm enjoying doing this pot, I'm going to have a sip from my beautiful new tumbler cup I got from her. If you guys enjoy some tumblers and would love a hand thrown one, definitely check out Blue Nose Trading and get yourself one of these tumblers. All right, let's get to the repot. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick little repot here. Got my Taurus Silois tumbler. Absolutely amazing for your drinks. Keeps them nice and warm if they're warm, keeps them cool if they're cool. And I don't know, I just enjoy drinking things out of handmade items. I think it's a lot better and it makes it taste a little bit better. But then I've got this beautiful pot from her as well. I know what most of you are thinking. Green on green's weird, but it's more of like a turquoise. Absolutely beautiful color and I love it. So this was the pot I chose and have been waiting all summer to get this tree into. It's a little bit bigger, let the tree grow a little bit more, get more vigorous, have a good life. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, you should subscribe to my channel. And if you really enjoy my content, you should hit the bell notifications to get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.